Mike Gibson. Thank you for joining another episode of the Mike and Me Show. I'm excited that you're here. I'm excited to be able to convey a message to you. Today I want to talk about healthcare. Universal healthcare throughout the United States. Millions and millions upon Americans didn't have access to affordable healthcare. Now we do. And healthcare is more and more increasingly important to our very, very well-being. And one of the things that I'm excited about, some of the things that I've been involved in, some initiatives around HIV and AIDS, going to barbershops and talking about HIV and AIDS and how we can stop the growth and the increase in the African American Latino community around HIV and AIDS. Sickle cell anemia is something I'm involved in. And also MS, where I walked and ran in the marathon around the Rose Bowl to raise money for MS. Also, autism. Our young people are becoming more and more diagnosed with autism, and these are some of the brightest kids, but they have autism. So I invite you to participate in some of the initiatives that I'm involved in. I'll be also initiating the 1,000-pound weight loss here in the city of Carson. I'm in the gym all the time. I'm a vegetarian, and those things are choices in which I made in order to live healthy, in order to live a healthy life, and I invite you to help me spread the word. So in a few moments, you'll see some video regarding some of the initiatives that I've been able to and proud of to introduce. Thank you very much.